In a place where the sky is always changing, Caleb and Chloe lived in a small, peaceful town called Greenhill. Caleb was a curious and adventurous boy, always looking for excitement, while Chloe was a clever and mischievous girl, always up for a challenge. One sunny morning, Caleb and Chloe stumbled upon a group of four individuals huddled together, whispering in the park. They were none other than the notorious bumbling bandits.
So how about the result, guys? This is a video making platform. Allow users to create videos with photorealistic digital actors by simply typing a script. This AI platform claims that we help companies and consumers to create content without having to deal with finding and hiring actors. They also claim that filmmakers, marketers, entrepreneurs, creatives of all levels are using PPO to produce their short social media videos or full-length e-learning courses with a click of a button. So this is amazing, guys. So firstly, you will have to come to this website, ppo.ai. I have given the link in the description. Click get started, create project, choose the avatar from here. You can choose any avatar you want. So I'll choose this one, customize it. So write your script. You can upload your audio script also if you have. Otherwise, just click on export. The video is ready. Now you can download it from here. And here is the result.
Mendo and the Mischievous Monkey. In a small village on the edge of a great sea, there lived a mischievous monkey named Brian. He loved to cause trouble and play pranks on the villagers. One day, he stumbled upon a group of organized crime members who were planning the ultimate heist. As Mendo was walking by the sea, he saw Brian sitting on a rock, looking mischievous as ever. Mendo knew that Brian was up to something, but he couldn't resist the monkey's charm. Brian, being the curious monkey that he was, overheard the crime members talking about their plan to steal a valuable diamond from a nearby museum. He knew that this was his chance to cause chaos and have some fun. Mendo saw Brian with the crime members and decided to follow them. He knew that something was up and he wanted to find out what it was. As Brian began to cause chaos, the crime members realized that he was causing trouble and tried to catch him. But Brian was too quick and too clever for them.
After logged in, you will get 1 minute of free credits. And here is the pricing. You will have to contact them. Please hit the like button and comment down below. And subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day. All the best.